Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is I am light. You are the torch. You are the lighthouse leading us to safety out of troubled waters and out of our wildernesses, because what you're doing is changing the world, changing your lifestyle, changing your manifestations. You're upgrading yourself and everyone's watching. They're like, wow, Aries can do it. I'm going to mimic and do what they do because I want the breakthroughs coming through in my life also. There's millions of eyes looking upon you that you don't even realize. So make sure that you're being your best, highest self at your highest frequency. I always have hope no matter the ordeal. I have faith in a better future. I turn darkness into light and I open my heart to others and to God, and I'm spiritually strong. I draw light to me and I shine with all of my being. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.